Wide Open Outdoor Adventures with your host, Dave Valtierra. We'll make you a better sportsman.
Subscribe to the Wide Open Sportsman YouTube channel today. Hey guys, Dave Valtierra with Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. I'm on the Diamond J Ranch just outside of Tilden, Texas, McMullen County, whitetail deer hunting coming your way next. Special thanks to Greg Johnson, my great friend, who's going to be on camera helping me film this hunt. And special thanks to Tuttle Motors and Poteet for the Ranger Polarises that we run. You better buckle your seatbelt for this one. It's going to get good. Starting right now. Guys, my adrenaline is pumping. This is an awesome setup right here. All I need is my rest, my chair, and my Ruger. Whitetail deer hunting, South Texas, today's opening day afternoon hunt. I've got this really big field out in front of me. I've got a feeder right here, and about 260 yards across the field is another feeder. I'm gonna work the shade of this canopy. Wide Open, coming your way right now. All right, like I always say, this is my little home away from home. I've got my three-legged Primos rest here. Killed a lot of animals with this rest. It's easy to set up, easy to adjust on the fly. Right there, baby. Got my little dove, three-legged dove chair. Super mobile. Let's see how this feels. I've got this lumber right here in front of me. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So this is pre-rut. So the bucks are not going to be running doe yet. So let's see what happens. I'm settling in here about 3 o'clock. In the afternoon, it gets dark about 6:45 or 7, so I've got about 3 hours to gel out right here. So I've got a feeder right over here that I'm working that's fairly close, about 150 yards, and then I've got another feeder all the way across the Sendero, and that feeder is about 260, 275. So I've got a 7mm Ruger. It's time to get it on, Wide Open style. You ready for this? We've got some doe coming into the feeder. They're coming under the fence. Man, this wind has got these deer on edge. They don't like wind. It takes away one of their senses. They can't hear very well. Some of these little doe are actually laying down in the grass. Is that cool or what? Looks like they're pretty comfortable. This is crazy. These deer are playing follow the leader across the field. I think it's the wind, or I'm not sure, but why are they running? They're running across the field. I mean, they've got corn here. Why are they going to the other feeder? You know, they say there's always a dominant buck, but with the ladies, there's some dominant girls too. So she's the mature doe. She's the one that blows when you have a cautionary situation. She's the one too that'll give you away big time. Looks like she's the one out in front. She crosses the field, they follow the leader. Where's our bucks? We got a doe fest. So doe sometimes being in the field will draw in the bucks, but this is pre-rut, so that's not really even happening yet. But they're feeding. This is it. This is our boy, he's coming in. He is awesome. He's coming into that feeder, about 275 yards away. This is the trophy buck we're looking for. If you notice this big buck, he's got his head down. He's feeding. He's not interested in anything except for building his strength for the rut that'll be here in about 3 weeks. Okay, he's on the move now. That big buck is coming across the field just like we hoped. He's coming in. He's coming across this field. I'm gonna have to stop him. Boo! I got him. I got him. He was perfectly broadside, looking right at me. Oh, he's about to expire. He's down. Got him. Got him. That was awesome. Awesome. It came together perfect. I thought he was leaving on the other side. I'm going to give him about 20 minutes and let him expire. That is a beautiful, beautiful mainframe 10 with dog catchers rising to the moon. That was awesome, man. You know, when you make noise like that intentionally to stop a deer, he could easily just turn the speed up and he's gone. But in that case, he stopped and he just stood there and looked at me, gave me a chance to get the crosshairs on this Leopold in place, right behind the shoulder, put it on him. 7mm, knocked him down, blood coming out both sides, out in that field, and he tumbled and rolled up. That's why I hunt. Now that's a South Texas buck right there. Make sure we're safe. He's expired, man. This is an awesome 10-point right here. Free ranging deer. Ow! That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this buck. I tell you what, this was a hunt I'll never forget. An evening hunt, wide open style. First day of deer season. And look at this mainframe 10-point. Look at these dog catchers. This is a trophy whitetail, and that was a hunt. It's early November, man. Let's kind of run through this hunt. We first started out working 2 feeders here in this big, huge field. And we hoped that this buck, because we'd seen him on prior days, we hoped that he was going to be coming in the twilight zone of the evening hunt. So we had a lot of doe come in, both feeders actually. And it was crazy. They were running back and forth across the field. It was something else. We hoped to see this guy, and boom, he shows up. He shows up on this feeder right on the far, far distance across the Sendero, and we basically had like a 250-yard shot. And then he took off, and he went to a watering hole, we thought. I could still see his horns sticking up over the grass. And then as you saw, he comes running back across the field, and we got him. Made a decent shot. It's a little bit of a high shot, but he went back across the field and tumbled. We gave him about 20 minutes. Trophy whitetail right here, wide open outdoors. That's why I hunt. They don't get more symmetrical than this. Look at these dog catchers. This was the big boy on the block. Special thanks to my friends at Tuttle Motors in Poteet. A little ranger right here got us out and got us on the hunt today. Tell you what, man, that was an awesome hunt, wide open style. Tell you what, I'll see you next week on Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. Today was a good day. Correction. A great day in the wide open outdoors. Special thanks to my new friends at Tuttle Motors in Poteet, Texas. Visit wideopensportsman.com every day for your daily fix of adrenaline. Just get out there. You know, it's always wide open.